guys, so as you can tell by the echo, I'm in my bathroom. Excuse me, I don't have a voice. But I want to do another skincare routine. Now this is not an updated one. Jonathan is closing the door. Stop it, please. Please stop. Anytime I'm filming, he just comes wherever I am. Am I in focus? God, I have to refocus this thing. Hi guys, my name is Rochester and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on to watch this video. I want to start off by saying this is not an updated skincare routine. This is just my skincare routine today. I switch it up a lot and this is what I've been doing recently. Now, three things you guys are accustomed to me using. You guys are accustomed to me using my baby wipes to remove my makeup. You guys are accustomed to me using my Vanity Planet facial brush, cleansing brush, sorry. And you guys are also accustomed to me using my Rochester oil. Now, the one thing that you're not accustomed to me using is this liquid black soap. And I bought this liquid black soap from glambyissaken.com. Hey Issaken, hey boo, you think turn up good it late. So it's the new thing that I have introduced into my skincare routine. Now, hopefully this can be a top 3 video and I don't have to go through a lot. So I'm getting 1, 2, 3 wipes, and I'm getting 3 wipes because I want my makeup to be somewhat mostly gone by the time I'm done. So I'm gonna start by removing my makeup with the wipes. And if you saw that round thing on my forehead, I had my head tied today, so that's what that is or was.
God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah, read on Isaiah. Yeah man, I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me a say no, Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam, we are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord Raymond, him able for wipe all the stain off of Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven on earth.
And my lip thingy is not coming off. I'm wearing Chanel. Lip is by Chanel in No Basic. Well, still wearing it. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this now. I'm going to put it in my hand. It's just black soap. It's what it says, liquid black soap.
Christ, him never fail me. If I never Jacob be a club me with a floss in a one party with a cause him a pay stub AK submachine. God wash me off in a the love machine. If you look you see a base hood. Jesus dead on the cross.
So now I do this step whenever I wear a lot of makeup and to remove it in the night. So I'm going to be taking my Vanity Planet. You can't even see the VP. Then I'm going to be putting some of the black soap in there. Do you hear Jonathan? And to be honest, I did get, see, but I don't use it like this. I don't use it like this at all. I'm gonna show you guys soon how I use it. Because before I had the batteries and I was really excited to use it. How I'm about to use it now is how I use it. I just use it like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look still how much makeup is coming off. I wish you guys can see the brush. Like the brush is hella. Look at that. So I'm still removing makeup from my skin. And that's what I love about this face brush. It's very gentle. It's not abrasive at all because the bristles are so long, as I said in the other video. And it's just giving me the sud I need. Bam, sud life. So now I'm just going to rinse this off and do this process one more again. So now I'm going to be taking the black soap again. Yeah, so it's in my hands here. Going to do this process again.
No Balaam, we are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know.
I'll grab my brush with my soapy hands. Put some drops. And I put the drops around, like on the dark part. Not necessarily, I don't drop it necessarily in the middle.
Everybody feel up the Lord rain, and him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet.
I look so funny. This is way cleaner. I look hilarious. So this is what my face looks like. It looks very dry. It looks dry. I'm going to be taking my Rochester facial serum, and I'm just going to take one pump to rehydrate my skin. This helps to make my skin look healthy, bright. Look at that, look at the difference. I love it. And I always use my Rochester facial serum. I don't use any other moisturizer. And that's just the plain old truth. Got nothing coming off my head. But yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I have to rewrap my hair. This is not cute, boo-boo. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I do have a coupon code in the description bar for you guys, so you can just click the link and purchase there. Also, this is how I do my face routine as of today. Now this is going to change, and as soon as I change it, just like with the other video, I'll come and do another video irrespective of what products I'm using. Once I change how I remove my makeup, my skincare routine, I'll definitely let you guys know. For the derma rolling, I haven't derma rolled in a while, and that's because I've been wearing makeup a lot because I'm doing these things where I need to wear makeup. So I have a derma roll in a day. Whenever you're doing a derma rolling, you're not supposed to wear makeup the following day because your pores are still open, still healing. So you're supposed to do the derma rolling today. If I do it today, I can't wear makeup for tomorrow. I have to wear makeup the following day. Yeah, so that's why I haven't done the derma rolling. So yeah, as soon as I do that derma rolling video again, if you guys want me to, I'll film it. If you don't want me to, you've seen enough skincare videos from me, then that's fine. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.